On January 17, 2026, Assumption University officially inaugurated the Gabriel Marie Research and Learning Center for New Energy Vehicle Technology. This landmark collaboration with MG Thailand and SAIC Motor marks a new era for automotive education at the Suvarnabhumi Campus. University President, Brother Dr. Siri Chai Fonseca, welcomed Chairman Mr. Deshinshan of SAIC Motor CP to celebrate this milestone. The project bridges the gap between academia and industry, focusing on hands-on workforce development to produce global specialists for the rapidly evolving EV market. For MG, this center strengthens Thailand's position as a strategic manufacturing and export hub for ASEAN. By integrating intelligent innovation with professional training, the partnership ensures that the next generation of engineers is ready to lead the sustainable energy transition. Spanning 1,800 square meters, the facility features two specialized zones. The front section focuses on automotive management and marketing, while the technical wing provides deep-dive training on powertrains, high-voltage batteries, and thermal management systems. Administered by the Vincent Mary School of Engineering, this ecosystem accelerates the transition from student to professional. At the Gabriel Marie Center, we aren't just teaching technology, we are accelerating toward the future. On